Okay, so yeah, 4020 gets an rebuild engine overhaul. Well, not a engine overhaul. I guess I didn't do that, did I? It's making a knocking noise in it. I had done a clip earlier of this thing running and making the knocking, but I accidentally erased it off my memory. I think, cylinder wall is bad or scuffed up. See, liner must. I think it's. I don't know. Everything's all covered up with towels. I really don't want to. Really don't want to mess with it. I just showed up. And there's all that giblets. Now, what was wrong with it was cylinder had went bad. The cylinder went bad, causing it to score piston ring went bad. That's what it did. Piston ring went bad. Cylinder went bad. All making scoring the wall of the cylinder. I mean the wall of the head. The hell, I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but this is a complete teardown, and I am not around to help. I'm at the doing my other job, but yeah. Everything here. I don't know if we got the new parts or not. I hear they're gonna be expensive parts. So yeah, I don't know what he's gonna do about that. And antifreeze there. Looks like we got this over here, which is a head gasket. I do know that. That's the head gasket there. All the sheet metal and that crap's there. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, here we go. Instructions, installing piston liners, stuff like that. Oh, this don't have a 404 in it. Oh wait, yeah it does. Right there. I don't know why they put the 6 in front of it. That's odd. Do not remove the pistons and the liners. Move old liners from block. Clean the lower cylinder block O-ring. Okay, so that's what this giblets and stuff is here. Yeah. I think we'll just cover this back up so it don't get all dirty, dusty. So yeah, 4020 rebuild. Yeah. Not good. It'd be a fun project if I was here to help. But like I said, I'm not, so it is what it is. There's the rest of the giblets and stuff that goes on the tractor. All we wanted to do was put the the disc bind on it, just to mow a little 3 acres for a guy, and this is what it amounts to. Yeah. Just wanted to mow through. It's like the tractor don't even get worked hard. We're too lazy to unhook another tractor from another implement to put the disc bind on. We said, here, we'll use the 4020. Because it, ran the old, what was that, 463, the hay bind we used to have. I remember it running that. That was 9 foot. But I don't understand. The funny thing was that this tractor just ran the same disc bind this spring. It's like all this tractor does is just rake hay here or there, pull a hay wagon, but it just mainly, its main job is just sitting on the feed grinder. That's what its main job is. So, all right, we'll check back on this project later.